Here we go, tunnel again. Tunnel with the windmill. Oh, windmill. Uy, Kabyang. We're in Kabyang.
Yeah.
I think Norway have a lot of tunnels in the world, huh?
Here is also one. Now they will take a photo of me.
Yeah.
And then
60.
This is
60
60 with lines means 80. Means now it's fixed. 60 is finished. Now it's
Okay.
80. If there is just lines over the number, that means always 80 no matter what previous.
Ang haba ng Kabyang, ah. Mauubusan tayo ng memory nito.
9 kilometers.
Ilang memory sa'yo?
256 lang to eh. Pero naka-ano kasi to, naka-iCloud.
Worth it pa mag-iCloud?
2 tera.
2 tera, oo. Worth it kung malakas yung wifi mo. So kapag mahina kasi katulad, lilipat ka sa CapCut, mahina yung wifi sa barko, nahihirapan siya. Hindi siya ma-copy.
Now there is a roundabout.
Runabout pa sa tunnel, oh. Lupit to. Oo. So nga pala guys, yung Norway yung may pinaka world record ng ano, longest tunnel, underwater tunnel in the world. Baka para malaman nyo lang. Nice. Runabout in the tunnel. Haba na ito ah. Kaya ni Sagis, ngayon lang tayo nakadaan dito. Ilang years na tayo sa Sagis, pabalik-balik, dito pa tayo nakakadaan dito. Sa Bergen lang.
Sa Bergen marami.
Yun, mahaba talaga dun. Oh, maraming tunnel yun. Isa yun sa mahabang tunnel eh. Yung ngayon, yung sinasabi kong underwater, yun ang pinakamahaba sa lahat.
15 years.
Sa Agison.
It's better all that time.
Mahaba na ito. Okay.
Yep.
Simula nag-video hanggang ako 2
Ilang
minutes.
yan? 2 minutes na. Sa akin, 2.12. Malakas pa naman ng ang iPhone na to. Yung memory na ito.
Mas stranded ka dito.
You know the movie that they trap in the tunnel? Like there's some explosion. What movie is that? That's
We have one Norwegian one
Stallone?
that's just called the tunnel.
Yeah, I think it happened recently. The one, I think the teenagers on the bus or car, or I don't think, I don't know which kind of car.
That happens.
It's stuck on inside the tunnel.
oh my.
But that happens quite a lot. That
Very
things
nice tunnel.
catch fire inside the tunnel.
Oh, is there like LC?
That's for air ventilation. You cannot breathe outside if you don't have ventilation like that.
They have like fans inside.
Yeah, they have to remove the exhaust.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's very long time.
Uy. That's too much speed, huh?
Somebody in a hurry.
They need to go to the toilet.
Good thing. My problem is this
Parang Bergen,
this
ah.
car is so tiny that people always want to pass me.
Yeah.
Even if I drive in the speed limits, people like they can't stay behind the tiny car.
I'm bigger than you. I'm past you.
It's an ego, chief. Ego.
Ego boost.
But I think we have to double check with chief engineer. But I think we have been under the sea now.
This under the sea
I
already?
think so.
This is the one I'm talking about?
No,
No?
the one you talked about.
Different.
Okay.
Different one. But I think I'm not completely sure. We check with somebody local.
Maybe this is going to Oslo, Chip.
Going to the airport.
This first time I've been long in Hagison,
And
but
there's like
first time.
pressure already.
Yeah,
Yeah, pressure. Maybe it's
Yeah,
underwater
yeah,
already.
I am pretty sure that this is like a baby version of the one that you were talking about.
Okay. Baby version. That's long. It's long already.
Still long.
Yeah, but
It's already almost 5 minutes.
It's,
I see the light.
now we're almost at
I see the light. Oh. Oh yeah. Now I'm scared, huh? Now I'm relief. Okay, outside the tunnel.
What's the name of this tunnel, Chip?
Kalmar Tunnel.
Karmoy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my, nice. It's a long tunnel. We're in Oslo already. Norway. Welcome to Norway. Karmøy. Ah, okay. It's like we have a long ride, huh? That's a nice tunnel. Thank you for showing the tunnel.
Doing something.
I really enjoy the tunnel.
Oh, we just turn around. That's the
That's where we came
That's
from.
enough.
That's the dry
okay.
dock.
Yeah. See the mga bahay dito, oh. Yan lang.
Oh. Magkano ang putera ng Mahal, no?
500,
Around under the ocean.
Okay, around
So how
there.
many kilometers?
8.9.
8.9 kilometers
Yeah.
under the water?
Yeah.
not all under the water.
So maybe half.
An underground round about 60 meters
So,
below sea level.
Karmøy Tunnel?
Yeah,
Karmøy
Karmøy
Tunnel.
Tunnel.
We're back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're here already. Good experience, ah.
Lowest point is 100.
I really enjoyed the coffee in the tunnel.
That's nice.
Thank you for the ride.
Thank you for the tour.
Thank you, Mama. Yan na yung barko natin. O, diba? Ito yung barko. There's a tupa here. Ship. See the black ship. That's a black ship.
Yeah.
You know, black ship. You know? Oh, black ship.
Isa ang black sheep, ayun.
Or here.
Very small. Yeah.